Bonjour everyone, and welcome to Eurosatory 2024, the largest international exhibition for the land and airland defense and security industry. This prestigious event gathers over 100,000 professionals from around the globe. This year, RETIA, a proud member of the CSG group, is excited to showcase our cutting-edge innovations in radar systems and counter-UAS solutions. Our latest generation of well-established radars is a highlight you cannot miss. We are thrilled to present our 3D early warning radar REGARD, which excels in detecting and tracking low-level flying objects up to 18 kilometers away. REGARD meets the latest standards for active detection and classification of UAV threats, making it an essential part of our advanced anti-drone system, RECAS. RECAS integrates the latest hardware for both detection and mitigation against UAVs in a fully modular way. Additionally, don't miss our latest iteration of the RETIA, through-the-wall imaging radar. RETIA represents the pinnacle of radar technologies capable of detecting and tracking living entities behind solid obstacles. Please visit our booth to experience these groundbreaking innovations firsthand. Thank you for joining us at Eurosatory 2024.
Czechoslovak Group. Heart, Heritage, Horizon.